dysfunctional vet here. When you buy a DeepRock drill, it comes with a wrench. I decided to make my own just because I like making things. I drilled this hole right here and I cut this kerf this way. Then I came back using this highly expensive, 98 cents back in the day, I don't know what they cost now, caliper. I made my 1 3/4 inch markings here. Then I cut this using my Bauer electric saw. Description follows. Once I had it cut, I tapped it with a hammer. This piece came out. I now have my handy nifty piece for hooking onto the swivel, which I told you I like so much. It is such a great swivel. And I'm going to weld a piece of square tubing onto this. Like I said, the hydro drill comes with one. I mean, the DeepRock comes with one. I just want to make my own. So here we go. Let's see if it fits. Alright, the proof is in the eating. It fits on there. It's a little tight. I'll need to surface this just a little bit, but it's about perfect. Yeah, it's always better to make your own stuff.